Turns now to meteorologist Mary Beth Roble. All I'm hearing from you is grab the bread, grab the milk, because winter is coming.
Yeah, but really there's no need to panic. We live in Buffalo. We're used to it, right?
Yeah.
We just deal with it, right?
Yeah. That is true.
Yeah, and plus we have all this time to prepare too. But definitely get enough gas for your snow blowers, because some folks might need to snow blow in shifts and shovel in shifts too, because some places are going to get more snow than others, but all of us in Western New York, whether you live in Niagara County or in Chautauqua County, we're going to see significant snowfalls over this long duration. And maybe that's a good thing, because it's not just in one area for 4 days. But I want to show you right now what's going on. In the metro area, we are dry right now, and temperatures are above freezing. So we're in the upper 30s, close to 40. We'll keep it cloudy. Tonight, maybe a little light snow moves in tonight. Could be a little bit slippery in some spots on the roads tomorrow. But across the southern tier, ski country, and the south towns, you're going to start to see that lake effect snow developing. Right now, it's 40 degrees at the Buffalo Airport. Winds from the west at 15 miles an hour. It's 40 here, 38 in the Falls. We're at 38 at Batavia, 39 at Dunkirk, but all across the southern tier, temperatures are closer to that freezing mark. And the longest duration lake effect snow warning that we have right now is for northern Erie County, the northern suburbs, over to a Batavia line in Genesee County. This warning lasts the longest, from 7 o'clock tomorrow night all the way into Sunday afternoon. So the potential for highest snowfall totals is here from Buffalo to the north, Clarence, Amherst, Pembroke into Batavia, as I mentioned. But right now, here's what's going on Doppler. We have some snow and some wet snow in the south towns, well, actually in southern Erie County over into Wyoming County. And we broaden out the picture for you. We have a series of upper level disturbances cruising through. And then Friday morning, we're going to see a cold front cross through. What that means, the winds are going to be shifting maybe by about 10 degrees or so. So the lake effect snow band is not going to stay in one place for very long, but it may be hovering or favoring the north towns and Genesee County over the duration. But tonight, we're talking about lake effect snow for the southern tier, maybe some for the south towns later on, a little brush. And then as we get into Thursday night, that lake effect snow band moves from the south towns into the north towns into Niagara County for the Friday morning rush hour. We could see some accumulating snows too, could be very messy. And the lake effect snow band, it looks like on this model, it's concentrated south, but there is evidence that it may be farther north as we get into time. So we'll keep you posted on this. By Saturday morning, again, that lake effect snow band is moving farther north. Projected snowfall totals, you'll notice that by Friday morning, 6 inches, maybe a ½ foot here in the metro area. It could be from the north towns to the south towns. 11 inches already for Dunkirk, and the grand snowfall totals probably will be somewhere in Erie County, from the north towns into the south towns and over to Wyoming and Genesee counties for sure. So your forecast for today calling for just spotty rain and snow showers. Lake effect snow starting to develop south of Buffalo. Could see 4 to 8 inches across ski country tonight, with overnight lows close to freezing mark. And then for tomorrow, lake effect snow moves into the metro area later on at night. Cloudy and breezy. Temperatures during the day in the mid 30s, but then dropping down into the low 30s. And then this lake snow event continues right through the weekend. Could be a very snowy Bills game. We start to dry out as we get into next week, and we warm back into the upper 40s by next Wednesday. We'll be right back after this. Stay with us.